Hi, welcome. My name is Andy Debray and this is the UAV chat channel. This is an introductory video just to explain what we're going to be doing over the next couple of months and the future, hopefully, if this takes off. We're going to be chatting to people like you, drone pilots that are either hobbyists or commercial pilots. You're going to give us some information about the kind of work that you do, the equipment that you use, what style of shooting, whether it's video or photos, and an insight into your kind of world of flying a drone. Some of you have been flying drones for a number of years, some of you have only been flying a couple of months, so hopefully there'll be something for everybody, and it would be just interesting to actually hear from people that are, how can I put it, normal drone pilots, because this is not a professional studio. As you can see, this is my little office area in my home where I'm set up. I've been flying drones for over 2 years now, and my background is photography, so I've basically got a Mavic Pro 2 at present that I use for that. And it's got me into videography, which is a whole new kind of thing to me, but I've been learning the exact same as you. So I hope this channel will give you some information, some insight. We might talk about a little bit about politics and the things that are going on within the drone industry and the different things that are happening in the UK with registration and legislation and what have you. But hopefully, like I say, you're going to enjoy the channel, you're going to enjoy the chats that we're going to have with people, and we will be doing some live feeds, so you better join in the conversations by leaving messages or asking questions. So that's something we're going to be working towards. At the moment, I'm just setting up. I'm not a professional vlogger, so bear with me. I'm not going to get it right every time. But I'm trying to stare at just the camera and not my screens, so it's not easy. But thank you again, and thank you to the Drone Flyers GB and beyond for allowing me to post on their Facebook group. It will be a lot of people from that group that we'll be actually chatting to. There are a number of Facebook groups out there. Some are fantastic, some of them are a little bit too political or argumentative, but I have to say this group is absolutely fantastic. I enjoy every second that people post their images and their video and what have you, and when people ask questions, they get the answers they want without all the hassle and arguments that go with it. That sometimes happens in social media, as we know. Anyway, thank you for watching, and look forward to the first chat which we'll be doing shortly in the next couple of weeks. So subscribe to the channel, tick that bell so that you get notifications when we're on, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.